So where are we going?
We're going to Santa Fe's animal shelter
Animal shelter.
to
Okay.
drop you off.
Are we welcome there? You me? I belong?
Yeah,
Are they gonna?
we're dropping you off.
Oh, okay. This is where I belong. An animal shelter.
Right.
Goodness sake.
It is so beautiful. The one we had in town was, ugh. Every time I went in there, I was afraid I was going to come down with some terrible disease.
So anyway, at least we have a little blue.
And the sun's coming out. We may have a decent sunset. When I went in to get the Heineken yesterday, there were a bunch of guys coming in because it was like 3 or 3:30 Friday afternoon. And the combination of drinks that they would buy, it was like they had these little tiny beer cans, like little soda cans that you see, but beer. And
Why they have to spend big money? Why they can be practical.
I know.
Buy a box.
Buy a box, and they come in and they get a 6-pack of
You know why?
miniatures.
There is a reason for that. They were drinking on the road.
Oh, and that was a point I was going to make.
And then they're just
There
gonna
are no
discard.
open containers.
Yeah. No open liquor in the car. And to avoid
And they want a big hit
Yeah.
from tequila when they chase it with their beer.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, he had this whole sack filled. He had great big tall cans, and then he had a 6-pack of little cans. Oh, I hope they're okay. Santa Fe Animal Shelter and Humane Society.
Okay. Thank you.
See the dog park?
Here.
I hope they're not.
The dog park.
Yeah, and there's an employee. How cute. A lot of volunteers come out here and walk the dogs. When I lost Chaco, I'd go in and there were all black cats look alike, short-haired adoption.
Careful! This you're gonna, while you are watching it, you're gonna get dizzy. This, because my hands is shaking. Here we are. We belong here.
To drop Gracie off.
Okay, so this is the one that I'm gonna sign, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.